Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Got one of our 2000 Cobra R's behind me here, and speaking of this 2000 Cobra R, that's the topic and discussion of this entire video. So a few days ago was our LMR Cruisin' 2021 at Texas Motor Speedway, which was an outstanding day. Great people, awesome cars, you name it. We threw one heck of a party. So thanks everybody again for coming out and partying with us. Throughout the day, I was all over the place, talking to people, shooting some video, you name it, the typical car show stuff. Amongst all that excitement and footage, I forgot to shoot a formal intro, so guess you can call this video shooting a quick formal intro on what you're about to see in this footage. So what you're about to see in this particular video, I walk around through the garage of the paddock. I was able to capture some footage of the 93 Cobra R, the 4 2000 Cobra Rs, and the very, very well done 2000 Cobra R Tribute car. And then toward the end of the footage, we got the 4 2000 Cobra Rs and that Tribute car all lined up, and they took a couple parade laps, which it was sweet. I mean, definitely had to be there to experience it. I mean, it gave me chills. I'll be honest with you, man, it gave me chills. So enough of me talking, y'all enjoy the footage. All right, so we're up here at the garage, the paddock area. Behind me right here, that's our booth. And then here's the paddock area here. We'll take you guys inside here. This is sweet right here. So behind me, in my life, this is the most 2000 Cobra Rs. Yes, I said that, 2000 Cobra Rs that I've seen in my life. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one right here. Technically, this is number 301. This is actually a tribute car. This is a Cobra R clone. This belongs to one of our customers. He did an outstanding job on this car. I mean, sitting side by side with the other 4 Cobra Rs right here, I mean, you can't even tell. We'll flip you around. Correct gate, correct instrument cluster, correct looking seats. Got the right hood. And there you go, that's a custom fabricated intake manifold. Get y'all some of that 2000 Cobra R love. Man, that's cool. 4 2000 Cobra Rs. This one's actually the one that's been driven the most out of all of them. That one has been driven as well. I mean, they all get driven. A couple of them got trailered, but you can see this one. This one just came off a Circuit of the Americas. So, definitely being used the way Ford intended these cars to be used. Peek inside there. Nice little battery relocation. That is a full-size spare, in case you were wondering. And then over here, the crown jewel of it all. And of course, that's me being subjective, but got a lot of crown jewels out here. A lot of good-looking cars. But this right here, this is an all-original, very low mile, what we call a sticker car. This is a 93 Cobra R. Still has all your factory prep markings. This car was not dealer prepped. So one of the very rare ones in existence. See that final inspection done. 52 EFI starting procedure tag. And those are still the original Goodyear Eagle ZR45 tires. And the window sticker's still in the car, so we'll zip you around. Take a look at that window sticker. 1993, that car could be bought for $25,692. Considerably a lot of money in 93. Yep. That is definitely a really neat car. All right, people checking back in. We got a special treat right here. The Cobra Rs are lined up. They're gonna take a parade lap together. Man, that's freaking cool. If that don't give you chills, I don't know what does. There we go. Even the tribute cars out here. They're gonna roll with the guys, but like I said, 4 original, or 4 for sure 2000 Cobra Rs right here in the parking lot at Texas Motor Speedway. And this is it. I mean, what more could you want right here? All right, we're gonna sign off from the GoPro right here. We're gonna turn you guys to the other footage, and let's watch these Cobra R's on track. All right, folks, you gotta admit, that was pretty cool. If you agree with me, come on, you know what to do, like the video. So speaking of all the content, we have some really good content on the 2000 Cobra R. We have an older dyno video, and we have our very good and very informative what is video of a 2000 Cobra R. So go check those out down in the description. And like I said, man, what a treat it really was to see the 4 2000 Cobra Rs, the Tribute car, and the 93 Cobra R. And all we were missing to complete the R trifecta was a 95 Cobra R. So hopefully next year we can make that happen. If you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one, and make sure those notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until we catch you in the next one, you know what to do. For all things 79 and present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiast, LMR.com.